Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing amazing. So guys, in today's video, we are going to do a get ready with me for Diwali. So let's get started. It is really important to prep your skin well if you want a flawless looking base as well as you want your makeup to last for a very long time. I am applying my favorite serum, the Snail Musing Essence. I have been using this from past 1 month and absolutely loving it. Then I'm going in with my favorite sunscreen by Sugandha. It's their Total Defense sunscreen with SPF 50. It's perfect sunscreen for people who have active acne and sensitive skin as it doesn't irritate your skin nor does it leave any white cast. It feels very lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy. I absolutely love it for myself and highly recommend for you guys to check it out. Then I'm prepping my lips with Bare Necessity lip balm. Today I decided to skip foundation and go in with my favorite skin tint by Blue Heaven. This one is hydrating skin tint with SPF 25. This is shade Caramel. I know it's a bit darker, but I love how beautifully it matches my undertone and it blends like a dream. I love the coverage. Also, you can add more to build up the coverage and you can see how beautifully it has blended. For eyebrow, today I'm going in with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This one is very affordable and also of good quality. I like to just do the regular shape. I don't like to go overboard with the eyebrows and just brushing it out to give out a shape. For concealer, I'm using the Rare Beauty one. This is a shade lighter than my skin tone, so it will cancel out the skin tint shade and it will definitely brighten up my face. So I'm just applying it and I've left it for a few minutes, then started the blending to make sure that the concealer don't move and stay at the place. To blend the concealer, I'm using PAC concealer brush. This one is very good. So I have mentioned the link in the description. You can check it out. You can see the difference. It has definitely brightened up my under eye and blended like a dream. Using the same concealer shade, I'm carving out my eyebrows to make it look more prominent and also to highlight them. Then I'm setting the eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Gel. This one is in shade Espresso Brown. Then to set the concealer in place, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Plus powder in shade NC35. For blush, today I'm using Revolution Super Dewy Blush in shade You Got Me Blushing. I've recently purchased this blush and immediately fell in love. It blends like a dream and gives you a glowy effect. You can see that subtle glow this blush has given. You can always add more to make the color pop. I got this one at a really good deal from Myntra. This retails for around 600 rupees and I got it for around 320 rupees. For eyeshadow, today I'm using Dilwalo Ki Dilli Mars Cosmetics palette and using a peachy shade for my transition color. Then going in with a brick red shade on my outer corner and applying with a fluffy blending brush. Then applying a copper glittery shade on the inner corner and all over the lid. Then applying Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline. With the same kajal, I'll do my eyeliner as well and then smoke it out. I've been using this kajal for all my smoky eye looks like a crazy and just reaching out for this one. Then I'm using a small PAC Cosmetics smudging brush to smoke out my kajal. Then applying Mars mascara to give that false eyelash effect. This one is really good and affordable as well and it applies very easily. Definitely you need to apply 2-3 coats for that beautiful voluminous effect. Using the highlighter from the same eyeshadow palette to highlight my cheekbone, my brow bone. This highlighter is really beautiful and subtle. Then outlining my lips with the lip liner from Love Color Bar. I absolutely love this lip liner and I've been using this from past 2 years. To set and lock everything in place, I'm using 8-in-1 Primer Essence by Smashbox. Finishing off this look with a black small bindi, bangles and earring. Today I've selected gold bangle and gold earring to match my outfit. So that's it guys, this is the final look. It is very simple, very easy to recreate and I love this kind of minimal look. Let me know in the comment section if you like watching this video and if you like the get ready with me. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.